So it's time to walk. Oh, here we go. I hope this is stable enough. क्योंकि ये चेस्ट माउंट में लगाया हूँ मैं. अरे यार इधर भी है. See, कब सुधरेंगे ये लोग? This is a place. Think you can see the wave. Wow, I want you to see this. I am completely wet because of that huge wave. Was not expecting that. Luckily, I managed to save my camera from the water because this camera is not waterproof. This is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I rescued it. So if you ever plan to visit this place, do not come alone. किसी के साथ आ जाना. पीछे आते हुए आपको जो भी मैंने वो पाथ दिखाया, it is very narrow and it is really not safe coming alone here. And even यहाँ पे भी पत्थर और नीचे उतर के आओगे, फिसलने का चांसेस रहता है. एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के, एक दूसरे का हेल्प लेके you can come. Wow, did you see that? Okay. So that's what. इसके आगे और एक जगह है. I will go there now. Right there. See that? वहाँ पे एक cave है. अच्छा place है. I have to walk all the way from there and I have to reach there. On top of that, and then I have to go down. I will walk. I mentioned to come along with your friends, but there is one more serious thing which you have to care about. Friends के साथ आओगे, मजाक मस्ती बिल्कुल नहीं भाई. You have to be very careful. यहाँ पे खेलना कूदना मत करो. खेलोगे कूदोगे तो सीधा उधर पहुँच जाओगे, उधर नीचे. Yes, see that I guess. सीधा उधर नीचे पहुँच जाओगे. So no खेलना कूदना. Mind your steps here. Honestly, respect to all those videographers, vloggers, especially travel vloggers. भाई, it is really not easy. मेरा दोनों कान गर्म हो रहे हैं. However, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होगा क्योंकि अकेला कर रहा हूँ. I'm struggling with the bag and helmet one side. But to all the vloggers, especially those travel vloggers who carry those bags, along with all the camera and accessories, tripods, drones and all, it's no joke, man. Doesn't matter even if they have team, a group of 3-4 people, no matter what, but still it's literally not easy. मेहनत लगता है. This is the cave I was talking about. I will walk into the cave, keep my bag and helmet here. Look at this cave. So this is the place. At the end मुझे एक ही चीज़ बताना है बार बार. अकेले मत आओ. It is not safe. ग्रुप में आओगे तो be careful. Be there to help each other instead of खेलना कूदना. And then basic thing, get a bottle of water and पानी में बिल्कुल मत जाओ, बिकॉज यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो इट इज़ एक्चुअली डीप और पूरा पत्थर ही है, और एज में मत जाना ज़्यादा, पानी है, फिसल जाएगा, गिर जाओगे तो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर लाइफ. I know I made a lot of mistakes in this video, carrying a heavy bag and switching between cameras while recording and talking, doing all these things at the same time. Everything was completely new to me. I somehow managed to bring some quality to the footage, but I failed to capture enough B-rolls. And I couldn't speak very well. However, I did not want to give up on my first video, so this is the best I can present right now. There is one more thing to mention. This place looks like heaven during the monsoon. There's greenery everywhere and a beautiful beach. Here are some clips from the monsoon season. Watch it and enjoy it. And please subscribe the channel.